Hi guys, welcome to this video. In today's video we are going to be doing a remedy, a very effective remedy that will help you to treat sunburn. And we'll start by cleansing. And then the first method, we are going to use a tomato and turmeric powder. And then turmeric is a great deoxidant that will help you to restore the skin color. Then tomato is a great source of vitamin C that will help in soothing the damaged skin, and also it will help to restore the damaged skin. So you'll just take slices of tomato, turmeric powder, then rub into the damaged skin or the burn. This will help in restoring your skin back to normal in just simple way. So just rub it, then leave it for 15 minutes. You rub it evenly. I'm rubbing it in my face because even rubbing it on your face, the whole face, is very great way to glow your skin. After 15 minutes, I'm going to wash off, and you can see my skin is glowing. It's also a great way to restore your skin color if you had skin tan. The other way is aloe vera. Aloe vera will not only treat the mild burns, but will also speed the healing process of the sunburn. Aloe vera, as we all know, is full of nutrients that will help your skin glow, soothe the burn, and also treat the burn as it speeds up the treatment. This is the best way to treat your sunburn. You just rub aloe vera gel on your skin direct to the sunburn, then it will help you restore the skin color, and it will also help in healing the damaged skin. The other one is we are going to use baking soda. Baking soda will help in balancing the pH of the skin, and also will soothe the burn. As you know, baking soda is another way of removing the tan, so it will help to restore the skin color too, and also it helps in speeding up the healing of the burn. So you first dissolve the baking soda. Don't scrub it direct to the burn. Just dissolve it. Then use a cotton wool, soak it in the dissolved baking soda. Then directly apply to your skin. After applying to your skin, you are going to leave it for 30 minutes or 15 minutes, and then you wash off. So in balancing the skin pH, it will also soothe the burn. The methods I'm showing you are trusted and are very effective. You'll start seeing a change even in 2 days or even the first day. It will depend on the way you have done it. The other way is using coconut oil. Coconut oil is a good moisturizer as is an essential oil. It will also reduce the inflammation, and also the good thing with coconut oil, you can still use it with sunscreen. This will help the dry skin, the burnt skin to get moisturized and also speed up the healing. Using it with your sunscreen will help to prevent sunburns on your skin. Thank you for watching this video. Until we meet again, bye.